Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tradestation. To log into your Tradestation account, first of all, launch open the Tradestation app on your device, and then once you end up in this screen, tap on Login. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to this interface over here where you'll need to enter your credentials to sign in. Make sure to enter your username followed by your account's password in the text boxes. After entering your credentials correct, tap on the Login button to sign into your account. If you're having trouble remembering your username and password, make sure to tap on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link respectively. And that's how you easily log in to Tradestation. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.